Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a mirror on this 2008 BMW 328i. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. I also have affiliate links in the description below. We're going to have to pop the door panel off, so first we need to remove this trim piece right here on the handle. So you just take something skinny like a screwdriver or a blade, pop it in here. Once you get that started like that, then you can pull this right out, and then this just kind of like pulls up and back like that. Okay, same thing goes with this molding right here. It needs to just pop out. You can see right behind here, there's a little white clip in there that'll pop out. If we pull out here, you can see that pops out. There's more of these all along here. So you just need to pop this trim right out. Okay, we've got that off. Those studs just go right in those slots there. So now we've got some screws to remove. They're T20 screws. There's one right there, one right there, one right there, one right there. Now we're gonna pop the door panel loose and just kind of let it set down. So to pop this loose, you're just going to pry along the bottom here, popping it out of the clips. And then you'll just kind of lift a little bit. It'll come up over top of the lock here. And just, you can kind of set it down. Okay, this just pops straight out like that. And then you can have your panel hanging down here. Next, we need to get access behind here. So you pry back here, and this pops a clip or two loose right here. You don't have to pull this whole thing off, just pull it so that you can get access behind here. Now we are going to unplug this clip by pinching these two tabs, pull that out. Now we'll remove these three screws right here. Those bolts are a T30. Now we can pull our old mirror out like that. Stick your new one in there and reassemble in reverse order. So that's about all there is to it. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching.